So the last thing I'll show you in the Google presentation is just the File menu. And just some standard options here. New, you could start a new presentation straight from here, or you can start from your Google Docs homepage. You can open one from here, or you can do that from your Google Docs homepage. And then here are some important options. You have to remember that it's completely compatible with PowerPoint. So if you want to upload a PowerPoint presentation into Google Docs, and then you can edit it there, and you'll be able to edit it from any computer because it's online, you can do that. You could also import just slides from one of your PowerPoint presentations. And then you have the option to save, but this is also up here, real convenient, and Google will auto-save it pretty often. And then you can save as a new presentation. This is kind of like the copy option on documents and spreadsheets. You can rename it. Remember, you can also rename it by just clicking on the name right there. You can delete it from here. You'd also be able to delete it from your Google Docs homepage, and you can print it from here. You can save it as a HTML zipped file, and you can start the presentation, which is the same as right here. You can discard changes and save and close, which is also up here. So one last thing, there's an email option, and you can email the presentation to somebody just like this. So that's Google presentation. Just kind of wrap up. It's just a very, very simple PowerPoint replacement. And I mean, it's simple, but it really can get the job done for most everything that you're going to need. And probably the coolest feature is being able to do the presentation in real time online with a chat room right there, like a group chat for everybody to look at. So that's Google's presentation in Google Docs.